I built this entire magical spellbook in Blender using basically just one tool, the Skin Modifier. I know, everyone thinks this modifier just crashes your PC, but today I'll show you my secret Modifier Sandwich workflow. And the best part? This entire project file is only 554 kilobytes. Let's go. Don't delete the default cube. In edit mode, just press M and merge it to the center to get a single vertex. Add a skin modifier, and look, we got our cube back. Now add a subdivision modifier. Duplicate it. On the top subdivision, set it to simple mode, and on the bottom subdivision, set the levels to 3. On the skin modifier, enable smooth shading. Boom. You just created a parametric rounded cube, or whatever it's called. Are there any geometry experts here? Let me know in the comments. Now extrude that single vertex E to make a C-shaped profile for the cover. Here's the magic spell of this tutorial. Ctrl+A. This lets you scale the thickness. Press X or Y to scale it non-uniformly. See, it worked. The base cover is ready. Now just tweak it to your liking. Remember this spell, we will use it a lot. To round the spine of the book, select the corner vertices and use Command+B and then V to bevel them. I'm on a Mac. What is the shortcut for this on Windows, guys? Let's steal a piece of the cover to make the pages. Just copy a line, use Ctrl+A to adjust the shape, and add an array modifier to make a stack of paper. Now let's make the inner binding so the pages don't fall out. I'm lazy, so I just duplicate an edge from the cover since it already has all the modifiers set up perfectly. Copy a vertex, press P to separate it, and let's make a bookmark. Don't panic if it looks glitchy. The skin modifier can be a bit moody sometimes. Just tweak the X and Y radius until it behaves. Okay, the boring book is done. Now let's make it magical. That's why we are here, right? Adding some leather straps to the cover. I use the mirror modifier everywhere I can to save time. Every self-respecting magic grimoire needs a secret lock with a mystical seal. Congratulations to everyone who watched until this point. You just learned a secret trick to make a fully parametric gear in Blender without any add-ons. Look how easy it is to edit the teeth just by changing the X/Y skin radius. But let's keep this secret between us and get back to the Spellbook lock. Hope you haven't forgotten our magic spell, Control+A. Use it at every opportunity. Let's add some metal corners so our book doesn't wear out too quickly. Looking good. Time for the cherry on top, the skull and crossbones for the seal. Here is a secret button, Mark Loose. Even I don't fully understand how its magic works, but it really saves the day when vertices intersect. And there we have it, a complete magical spellbook, built almost entirely out of single edges. Let me know what fantasy prop or character I should model next using this method. Don't forget to subscribe and stay creative.